This table is very flexible and rigid. I sat on it just fine and I weigh around 150 pounds. Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Lifetime 4-foot adjustable folding table. This table weighs 23.5 pounds, has seating for 4 people, and comes with a 10-year warranty. It has adjustable legs, giving us the following heights: 24 inches, 29 inches, and 34 inches. The width of the table is 24 inches, and the length of the table is 4 feet, 48.1 inches to be exact. Here's the retail box and packaging. If you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. We have the table itself. Now let's go ahead, let's look at everything up close. So up close, we got the Lifetime logo in branding on the legs. We have our easy height adjustment lever right there to change the height of the table. They just clip right into the bottom of the table as well for the legs for easy storage and portability. We also have a nice grip handle up top to move the table for easy transport. Now let's go ahead, let's get it set up. First thing we have to do is just gently pull the legs out like so, and then we can extend them all the way out just like that. Take this ring and we can use that to keep everything in place, and repeat that step on the other side. All right, so there we go. We have the table fully set up at its lowest height setting. See how everything looks from the side? Really nice. Our handle, the smooth plastic surface up top. I really like the finish on it. Here's the other side, and how we have the legs properly set up and installed. Now let's go ahead, let's adjust the height. So you're looking at 24 inches for our height, the lowest setting. Now you're looking at 29 inches for the middle height setting. And now we have 34 inches for the maximum height setting. Here's a close-up of the included grip handle. It's really nice. It feels like it's basically spring-loaded in a way that you can use it, pull it out as needed, and then it retracts right back on its own. This table is very flexible and rigid. I sat on it just fine and I weigh around 150 pounds. I don't know what the maximum supported weight is, so I don't recommend putting that much weight on it or sitting on the table yourself, but it is very strong and sturdy. I've never seen a table so easy to adjust. Literally just press in, and you can even do it basically with one hand, and you can lift it up and it's gonna lock in place automatically to the next height setting. Or again, if you want to decrease, just press in, then it's going to snap right in place. We can go lower. So you get the idea here. You can do it with one hand. Very easy to adjust this table to whatever height setting that you prefer. The table's really easy to disassemble as well, less than 10 seconds. And we have this nice grip handle right here that we can use to easily move and transport the table as needed.